In this video, we'll show you what to do if you are getting this USB connector connected or disconnected error anytime you are trying to charge your Samsung Galaxy phone. So this usually happens when your Samsung phone mistakes your charger as a USB flash drive or USB headphone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on about phone. Now here go to software information. Now in this menu, tap on this build number multiple times rapidly. Now select OK to confirm. So this will enable the developer options menu. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on developer options. Now here you need to scroll down and go to this networking section and then find this default USB configuration. Now here select charging your phone only. So select this last option. Now go back to the main settings page and then tap on apps. Now here tap on this filter and sort icon. Now here select filter and sort and then enable this show system apps toggle. Now tap on OK. Now tap on the search icon and then search for USB. Now select USB settings. In here tap on force stop and then select OK. Now tap on storage and here select clear cache and then clear data. Finally hit delete to confirm. Now go back to the apps menu and this time search for Android system. Now select the first result. Now again tap on force stop and then hit OK. Once you have done this, check if you can charge your phone without getting any errors. If nothing else works, however, your last option is to go to the settings app, scroll all the way down and tap on general management. Now here tap on reset and then select reset all settings to confirm. Once you do this, you should no longer see any errors while charging your phone.